Okie dokie, y'all. Let's not waste any time. You clicked on the video. You know what it's about. You know what it's about. Okay. No knives required to open. Cool. It's so weird. Anytime I open an Apple product, I always do a little like, I don't know, it's weird. Also, with this iPhone unboxing, we are opening the Pela case and phone, a screen protector to go with it. And we're also going to talk about my Shungite crystal that I use to block the 5G radiation, electromagnetic frequencies. Ba, 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 ba. Oh, they have it on both ends. I'm just like so excited that I'm like not looking. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay. The huge. The now USB-C cord and how they now don't give us a wall adapter. It's like the best thing. Wow. First looks always clean, of course. One of the things I love about Apple is simply the design, and it's really super easy to use. Ba, ba, ba. Before I do a dang gone thing, let's put that back. Let's open the Pela case so that we can do the screen protector right off the rip. Cool. I'm not in love, but I do still love. The execution could have been a little bit better on this one. I've been using Pela cases for the past 2 phones now. The cool thing about Pela is that their cases are compostable and they make your phone unbreakable as well. Oh, thank you so much for supporting Pela in our mission to make things better for our planet little by little, Jeremy. They have like tested it. You can drop it from multiple stories and your phone will not break. And if you have a Pela case and their screen protector on it and your phone does break when you drop it, they will pay for the repairs. Pela is so awesome. This is not a sponsored video, but I do want to share with you guys products that I really stand behind and that I love. So if I can find any type of like discount code or any type of link offer for you guys, I will always drop those in the description box for you. So this is their liquid screen protector. It's a 9 hardness screen protector, compatible with most devices, enough to protect 3 devices. It's a liquid screen protector that you apply and let it dry, and it does its thing. So we're gonna do that first. You just need a microfiber cloth. So I'm gonna go grab one of those because I thought I was prepared for this and evidently I was wrong. We got a green one. Cool, cool. It's so crazy because my phone wasn't supposed to be delivered until Monday, and the Pela case wasn't supposed to be here till Tuesday, and the Pela case arrived today when we got home. And then I checked on this and it said it was out for delivery. I'm like, are you serious? Like, this stinks. So you just wipe it on here. Yes, this is what you do. You do not pour it on there. And then you let it dry. And then I also do the camera lens because why wouldn't you? Those are very important. That's the whole reason we got the Pro, so definitely. And just like that, it's done. And then I'll put the other half on in like a year, next year. I forgot to do that with my last one though. I'm not super hard on my stuff though, so I wasn't that worried. Back in your case. Cool. So sadly, I do not compost, but again, the great thing about Pela is that their phone cases are literally compostable. So it's a zero waste phone case, and they're really great. They have a crap ton of designs. And then this screen protector. I mean, hello. How could you not? Okay. Ba 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 ba. Look at that. Alrighty. Hasn't even left my desk, hasn't even been turned on. It's got protection all the way around. Now, had to have my phone plugged in because it was almost dead. We're at 20%. This is my last Pela phone case. It's just black and boring. And as you see here, there's my Shungite crystal. So I am going to take this off of here since we're going to be switching. I couldn't find like a new one of what I was looking for. So I've just decided that we are going to reuse this one. And I'm about to just stick it on there. I don't want to stick it on there yet though. I want to cleanse this and kind of recharge it for a moment and just make sure that it's good to go because it's been on the back of this phone for 2 years. It's been doing a really hard job, so it needs some help here. I gotcha. We will do this with our selenite crystal athame dagger that I just like to use to cord cut. So we'll just cut any connections that it has to the phone, right? Any connections, other energies, we just cut it, we cleanse it, we cleanse this crystal as we recharge this crystal as well, back up to its fullest and greatest potential to block all radiation and unwanted frequencies. And so it is. Ta-da! So my original plan was just to like glue it back on because I don't know what else to do for it. I don't like the sound of that, but... And then the question is, which way do we want it? I didn't like it here. So should I do it here? Should I do it here? I think I'm going to do it in the middle, like this. Let's do it. Ready? Let's do it. Okay, there it is. So pretty. I'm excited for this, like, color, some color on the back. Because I was recently wanting to get a new phone case, and then I was like, oh, but the new iPhone's gonna come out soon, so I'm gonna be getting a new case anyways. Hello, hello. Okay, here we go. iPhone 15. Got our Pela case along with our Pela, what's the screen protector? I was gonna say screensaver. Pela case, screen protector. Got the Shungite crystal. I will link that below as well. I used to have them in my shop. Let me know if you think I should get them back in my shop. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Thank you, universe, for a new phone. Thank you for a new Pela case. And thank you for the Shungite crystal to protect me from the 5G radiation and electromagnetic frequencies that we don't want to enter our body. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Remember to feel your experiences and express your emotions. See you next time, beings.